You need to hear this if you're a fan of international politics. Zambia is calling for backup against Zimbabwe. Zambia has turned to the Southern African Development Community and the African Union, asking them to step in and mediate tensions with Zimbabwe. The friction started after Zimbabwe's president, Emmerson Mnangagwa, made some bold claims to Russian President Vladimir Putin. Mnangagwa accused the US of militarizing Zambia to isolate Zimbabwe, sparking a heated response from Lusaka. Zambia's president, Hakainde Hichilema, firmly denied these accusations, stating that any military ties with the US are purely for exchange programs. He emphasized that Zambia has no interest in souring relations with any country, let alone Zimbabwe, Russia, or the Western powers. Both regional bodies, SADC and the AU, have yet to comment. Meanwhile, Zimbabwe's information minister downplayed the situation, referring to the long-standing history and deep ties between the two nations. He claimed, "We are a friend to all and an enemy to none. Stay tuned as this diplomatic saga unfolds."